Hi there, boys and girls, and hello to mums and dads if any of you are listening in. This is just a short little video to let you know how to access some extra resources for Irish in particular that the boys and girls will probably really like. They're resources that we would be used to using in school, so it just makes the Irish lessons that bit more engaging. They won't be as humdrum as they have been through the homeschool experience. Unfortunately, that hasn't been very exciting, but it's difficult when you don't have the rapport with the children, you don't have the feedback, they're not raising their hands. It's a lot more active in the classroom. So the first thing I'd advise you to do is check out the Folan's website. Now on their main website, which is folans.ie, it will tell you that they have allowed access to parents during school closures. So for the primary section, they're explaining that all you need to know is the school roll number. And I have that for you today, so I'll show you exactly what to do. So in order to register essentially as a teacher in your own home, all you need to do is visit folansonline.ie. So that is www.folansonline.ie. When you go to that website, it will bring you to this page. Once you hit register, it'll bring you to the teacher registration page, where you enter your name, your surname, an email address, and create a password. And then it will ask for a school roll number, and this is what's needed to register as a teacher. So the Salon's roll number is 08099P. And once you have this number, you can hit register, and essentially you'll be considered a teacher, and you'll be provided with all the resources you need for the different lessons. So I'm going to just show you what the main access page will look like once you do register. So, sorry, I'll bring you out of that. This will be the home page. Now, it probably won't look exactly like this because some of these books are coming up for me because they have been in my bank of books over the years. So I'm not sure what will appear here, but the main thing is to go to the search engine at the top of the page. You can see here, this is my home page because you can see my name and the school. So it'll probably say your name here and Salon's National School underneath, I would imagine. So if you search in the box for Abair, Abair, Liom, and hit enter, and it will bring you to this page of all the different books from first class, I think it begins. Oh no, it actually starts at junior infants, from junior infants up to sixth class for Abair. Now we only need for this class second class, but if you have children in other year groups, it might be useful for them as well. So the boys and girls will recognize this green book, and if you hit ebook, it'll bring you to their workbook, just an online version of it. We don't really need that, so we'll just hit resources. This is what the children will want. Now it'll come up with a whole load of different resources that will seem very confusing, and you could be searching forever if you were to go through them manually. So my advice is to go to lesson and hit the drop down menu, and then you'll find the name of the story that we're working on at the moment. So so far at home we have done on Grúgara, so we could go in here and have a look. And when you click on Grúgara, it brings you into some of the activities that the children would be used to seeing in class. So the one they're probably going to be most excited about is Pléasc an Balún, which is a little game where the children can burst the balloon. The balloons will say the vocabulary that we've learned from the lesson, and it's just a really good way of hearing the words repeated and just a fun way to engage with the Irish. So they'll know how to play. When you hear a word, scoob, brush, you hit the balloon that has that and you gain points.
Shampoo.
Now the boys and girls will know all about that, so we don't need to worry too much about how to explain it. So let's just go back and I'll show you. So that's for An Grúgara. As well, you can have a look at the poster for An Grúgara or for any of the lessons. The children will like playing the folklore hain agus folklore ado games, and they might want to listen to the story the official story from the lesson, or answer the questionnaire. Now in school we would always learn the auron together, and we usually do actions for the song, and the children like that. If they'd like to listen to it, they can click into it at their leisure. So that's for An Grúgara. And this week we're obviously doing An Farsnach the Bocht. So again, boys and girls, you'll be happy to see there is Pléasc an Balloon. It's not always an activity for every story, but it is here for An Farsnach the Bocht. So you can play that and revise your words. And that's what I would advise you do for today. Since we've done all the written activities for An Farsnach the Bocht, go into the Folan's website, access these resources, and have fun playing the games that we're used to playing. And it will really improve your Irish as well. Again, you can go into the poster and you can do the folklore hain agus folklore do. You can listen to the auron and do the questionnaire, or you can listen to An Dawn, which is the poem, An Farsnachta, and you can listen to the scale as well, the official story. Okay, so over the next few weeks, or however long we're out of school, we'll be doing various different stories from this collection. So whatever story we're doing, remember, log in, have a look at the other resources, because it will help to make the lessons that bit more interesting. So I hope this has been useful. If you have any questions about registering or about this video, if you just email me at second class room 13 at salonsns.ie. I have about 5 email addresses. That's why I'm getting confused with them. So second class room 13 at salonsns.ie with any questions. But hopefully you'll find this useful. Bye. Have a lovely weekend.